Many highly intelligent individuals struggle in social situations, and there are three key things why that happens, and all of these three are actually connected. Many highly intelligent individuals are quite sensitive and they're able to read other people quite easily. This combined to pattern recognition skills that they have then creates this phenomenon where they seem to know what the other person is thinking. So while the conversation is going, they have probably figured out where the conversation is going in the next 10 to 15 minutes. And this creates the second problem highly intelligent individuals tend to have in social situations. The second problem is the frustration of how slowly things are moving. So you become very frustrated in the conversation because you have already figured out where the story is going and the other person seems to be explaining it to you in too many steps, especially when you're used to explaining things, skipping quite a lot of the steps on the way. And this is where the third problem kind of appears, because you are so fast at figuring things out and explaining things, skipping those steps which you normally skip, because why would you explain the obvious things? You end up with this. You end up trying to find a middle ground into not sounding too condescending by explaining too many things that seem to be obvious to you, but you're not exactly sure whether they're obvious to the other person. And then again, trying to get your message across. So you're constantly iterating your explanation to the other person so that you're not going to sound too condescending, but that you're not leaving out so many steps that the other person will not understand your point. So you're actually doing quite a lot of work in social interactions because you're trying to figure out so many things beyond the actual conversation.